Wildfires are burning in Polk, Pickens, and Greenville counties. Our team coverage starts with Polk County, where more than 50 fire departments across North Carolina are fighting 3 wildfires.
The fire danger is now impacting families in neighboring Henderson County. Scarlett Lizjak has the latest.
It's a windy day in Polk County as 3 wildfires continue to burn more than 5,700 acres combined.
Increased wind activity is not only going to have increased fire behavior, so more extreme fire behavior, but our air resources, our aviation resources can only fly in certain weather conditions.
Fire officials are focused on containing the 2 largest fires, the Black Cove and Deep Woods fires, which are located in an area devastated by Hurricane Helene.
Access is continually an issue for us. Not only are we having to work our way through down trees and debris just to get to where these fires are, because they are burning in very remote areas, but a lot of these roads and accesses are very tight, one way in, one way out type of situation.
We're told resources have been pouring in from all across the country.
Not only in North Carolina, but all over the country, as far away as Washington State. And so we've gotten more resources today, and we'll continue to receive resources in the coming days.
Officials are also asking people not to impede on their efforts.
What we're trying to do is keep as many spectators out as possible. We have a lot of people wanting to come in to take photos. We need to try to keep those individuals out so we can provide safety and security and let the emergency services personnel get to where they need to be. It's very dangerous. If the weather shifts or the wind shifts, it could put them in danger as well. And then we would have to rescue them, basically.
We're told that more than 250 firefighters are on the ground fighting these fires. Reporting in Polk County, Scarlett Lizjak, 7 News.